Hey, there's Backstage Audio, and today's video I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the DBX166XS. Of course, this unit is a used unit. Let's check it out. Very good condition, I have to say. It has channel 1, channel 2. So this one comes with a compressor. It has a expander gate. It also has a limiter, and of course in channel 2 it's the same thing, expander, compressor. It's a 166XS. At the back you can see it's 15 watts. Has the outputs, which is 1/4 TRS and XLR. Same with the inputs, 1/4 TRS. Has a sidechain insert as well. And then for channel 1, the same. Outputs, inputs. Okay, and then of course it has a sidechain insert. The unit is in very good condition. I have to say it's really kept and maintained well. For a used unit, yeah, very good. It's a 166XS compressor, limiter gate. That was a quick unboxing. I'm going to be using this unit a ton, so as I go along, I will let you know. I'll be able to share it as well. All the features will be covered. And that's it. That was the unboxing of the DBX166XS, which is an expander gate, limiter, and compressor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just so you know, there are tons of videos coming up on that particular model. This is Backstage Audio signing off. If you still haven't followed us on YouTube, make sure you follow the channel Backstage Audio. Until next time, you take care, and I hope to speak to you soon in a future video, or maybe the next unboxing, which would be the DBX215S. Catch you in the next one.